everyone! Today I'll show you the gift that I got today, and it's a very surprise gift and unexpected, because this is one of my dream to have this shoes, because it's very expensive, especially here in Canada. So if you're working in the healthcare settings like me, the 8 hours duty is really very tiring, and you'll get leg cramps and pain under your sole. But this time I got a gift, which is, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'll open it and I'll show you what it is. See, don't look at it. So this is my favorite shoes, Hoka. It's one of the expensive shoes, so I'm so happy I have this. So it was ordered online from the Hoka company itself, so I can use this for my work. So this is it. I like black, so this is it, guys. See my shoes. I was so excited to share it with you. I thought because I could not afford it at this point in time, but you see, it was a gift and it was so pretty. Even inside you can see it's Hoka SR Bondi, so it's really pretty. So I'll see it on Friday. I'm on duty on Friday, so I'll just make sure I will wear it and see how it goes, how comfortable it is. Thank you, guys, and please stay on my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.